Our methodologies have helped people make money by using the methodologies of William O'Neill, which has been devised over 50 years of our legacy and over 100 years of research which has been done on the US stock market. Today, as I said, we have in our midst Mr. Stephen Birch, who is the president of O'Neill Companies and is a prodigy of William O'Neill himself. He has worked very closely with Mr. William O'Neill and has helped a lot of investors across the globe make money.
I'm Stephen Birch, the president of William O'Neill and Company. We are a 54-year-old global equity research firm with offices in Los Angeles, San Francisco, Chicago, Boston, New York, London, Shanghai, and Bengaluru. But first, let me provide some background. The video you've seen highlights Mr. Bill O'Neill, the founder and namesake of our company. I've had the pleasure of working with Bill directly for over 20 years, and I can attest that his teachings about how to invest have transformed my life and the lives of many ordinary people that took the time to learn and apply his principles to their stock market investing. When Bill started his career as a stockbroker, his approach to the market was random and haphazard, buying stocks based on rumors and tips. And after losing money, he decided he would defer to the experts. And he started buying stocks recommended by analysts at brokerage firms, but he still lost money. He then started investing based on books about esoteric and mystical chart patterns, but he still lost money. So he took a break from investing as he looked for a more scientific way to figure out what to buy. One day he had a simple epiphany. Rather than listen to others with their theories, their tips, their biased viewpoints, he decided to create a list of stocks that had appreciated 200, 300, 400% or more. And then he studied all these stocks' fundamental and technical characteristics before they made their big moves.
Steve is a market veteran and has worked very closely with Bill himself for over 20 years. He has managed money for over 20 years and has delivered exceptional returns over this long period. In fact, between 2000 and 2005, he generated 1,000% return. We have also established a very strong product and software development team who are continuously working on latest technology to continuously innovate on our products and services for our global customers. While we were busy with setting up our operational center, we were also very keen to bring our world-class research to India. And I'm very happy and glad that today we are taking our first step to launch MarketSmith to India. Since mid of 2014, we have been managing MarketSmith model portfolio, and I would like to inform you that we have been performing consistently well in the market. We have more than 15,000 users who have downloaded the app. 5,000 people have registered and using this product on a day-to-day basis. The most heartening thing is, and we are happy to share that, this app is one of the highest rated app in this category I see in the Indian market. And why we kind of set out to create a product or bring MarketSmith to India first. If you look at the Indian market, most of you know that Indians have a very high propensity to save, but not necessarily very high propensity to invest in stock markets. Markets have done really well over the long period of time, but most of the retail investors have really lost money in the market. And there are valid reasons for that. If you look at the product and services, most of the research which comes have some vested interest or biasness, or there's no basis for the recommendation. Most of the broker research is heavily tilted towards generating commission income for brokerages. And if you look at a lot of these free data providers which are there, gives a lot of information, but you not necessarily receive the right insights to take the informed decision. And that exactly we set out our vision for MarketSmith India. We wanted to bridge this gap to help retail customers make money in the markets. We are setting our vision. We want to become an elite thought leader in Indian research in stock market by empowering retail investors to make money in the market. We would also like to educate and help create evangelists and practitioners of CanSlim to further propagate the ways to invest in the market to take advantage of Indian booming stock market. We have built in all the required tools which can help you, whether you are a sophisticated user or a new user, to help you in the market. We also run weekly, bi-weekly webinars and a workshop in Bangalore to help customers learn our philosophy and ethos.
Is a tool which simplifies the CanSlim investment process for investors. So as he has mentioned already, CanSlim involves analysis of a stock based on the 7 main factors which we are looking at. So for a regular individual investor, this would mean that he has to scan or scrutinize the company financial statements for the last several years to identify revenue growth, earnings growth, etc. He might also need to do a lot of research on the company in terms of any new management, new product launches, etc.
MarketSmith India app is designed to help retail investors make money in stock market. It is based on William O'Neill's CanSlim method. Our app includes all the proprietary ratings and rankings, pattern recognition created by William O'Neill. This app is really to help retail investors make money in the stock market. We also run a model portfolio, which is hand-picked stocks by our research team analysts, and anybody can follow the leads and can take advantage of our portfolio. We also have a very powerful screening tool within our app, which can help customer go through thousands of stocks in a very, very simple and quick manner. It takes a lot of time to gather all that information, and we have tried to simplify that information for retail customer. It is available across platforms. It's available on Android, and we have a website which is highly responsive. You can access through any of the devices.